Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 15, and we're going to delve into the essential topics of debugging and testing. In this video, we'll cover debugging techniques and tools, unit testing with the unittest framework, and writing clean and maintainable code. Ready to make your code bulletproof? Let's get started. Let's start with debugging techniques and tools. Debugging is the process of identifying and fixing errors in your code. It's an essential skill for every programmer. One of the simplest ways to debug your code is by using print statements to track variable values and program flow. However, for more complex debugging, Python's built-in PDB module can be incredibly helpful. Let's look at a quick example using PDB. Using pdb.set_trace allows you to set breakpoints and step through your code interactively. You can inspect variables, execute code line by line, and understand the program's behavior. Next, let's dive into unit testing using Python's built-in unittest framework. Unit testing involves writing tests for individual units of code to ensure they work as expected. Here's an example of how you can write a unit test using the unittest framework. In this example, we define a test class testMath operations that inherits from unittest.testCase. Inside this class, we write test methods like test_add to check the functionality of the add function. Running unittest.main executes all test methods in the script. Finally, let's talk about writing clean and maintainable code. Clean code is easier to read, understand, and maintain, which is crucial for long-term project success. Here are some tips for writing clean and maintainable code. Follow naming conventions, use descriptive and consistent names for variables, functions, and classes. Keep functions small, each function should perform a single task. Use comments and docstrings, explain the purpose of complex code blocks and functions. Consistent indentation and formatting, follow a consistent style guide like PEP8. By following these tips, you'll write code that's not only functional, but also clean and maintainable. This will make debugging and testing much easier. And there you have it, folks, an introduction to debugging techniques and tools, unit testing with the unittest framework, and writing clean, maintainable code. Keep practicing these techniques, and you'll become a more effective and efficient programmer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 16. Keep coding.